Somebody, take this Madala away. Take this Madala away. I got stop Kuluma. Don't give him the mic. Shut up. No repercussions. Are you mad? Are you actually mad? Where there were gonna be repercussions if we didn't qualify. Hayi bafethu, hayi cwedi corruption la eMzansi. No repercussion. Are you serious? So no one is gonna be held accountable for what happened. But we're gonna hold the person accountable if we didn't qualify. Are you serious? Is this how South Africa is going? Is this how no accountability la? Nalo Vincent Tseke lo nimbonile kata vela sithuka la kayenza kanje kata basically athi kithi ayenza kanje kithi ama fans hayi sajwayelo la eMzansi. Shut up wena madala.